Hey, and welcome to another time-sticking YouTube video. Today we're going to be discussing a recent mashup between a reggaeton artist and a luxury watch brand. So stick with us through this intro, and we're going to see how they're making music together. Now, the world of luxury watches is no stranger to picking up brand ambassadors. These are people with some celebrity who can influence their brand. And in keeping up with this tradition, the brand Hublot has actually picked up a big-time reggaeton singer, Nicky Jam. Being a reggaeton god in popular music, Nicky Jam's tunes have reached across the borders of nations all around the globe. As Hublot's first Latin music ambassador, he's on quite a roster of celebrity endorsers. Nicky joins other musicians Depeche Mode and pianist Lang Lang. Hublot also aligned itself with sports stars Floyd Mayweather, Eli Manning, and Olympian Usain Bolt. On top of this, Nicky has other Latin-based Hublot allies, including football legend Pele and cigar makers Arturo Fuente. Born Nick Rivera Caminero, Nicky Jam's career started out humbly. Long before he was repping international luxury watch brands, performing the World Cup with stars like Era Estrefi and Will Smith, and appearing in Hollywood films like XXX, The Return of Xander Cage, he and his family were living low income in Puerto Rico. It was here that Nicky was working illegally as a bagger, after his family had moved there from Boston, Massachusetts in the early 90s. While working in Puerto Rico, he would freestyle lyrics. This caught the attention of a visiting music producer. His career began in this rugged space, and has since evolved into the powerhouse that it is today. With his increased prominence in the entertainment industry after his 2015 hit El Perdón, it's no surprise that Nicky Jam landed his new horological deal. Due to this recent deal with Hublot, the brand itself has made Nicky a custom wristwatch series. His watches are stunning pieces, worthy of an international superstar. The particular watch line that Nicky Jam is representing for Hublot is actually called the Mecca 10. Also known as the Big Bang Mecca 10, Hublot revealed the Nicky Jam wristwatch line in Miami around the end of 2018. At the premiere, Nicky rocked one of 3 Hublot Mecca 10 watches, the King Gold. This vibrant wristwatch features an alloy made from gold, copper, and platinum, which gives it a unique shade of the precious metal. Alongside this custom gold alloy, the King Gold's design displays yellow sapphire, orange sapphire, and savorites on the bezel and dial. This color palette mirrors his music video for the track X or X. Each piece in the Nicky Jam series derives its name from the 10-day power reserve featured in the mechanical works. On their own, the Mecca 10 timepieces from Hublot are beautiful luxury pieces. Combined with the star power and aesthetic influences of Nicky Jam's music, these Nicky watches make for some colorful and unique style, especially with the skeleton dial display of Hublot's mechanical movements. Right up there with the King Gold Nicky wore at the Miami premiere, there's the ceramic and the high jewelry watches. Though these 2 wristwatches don't have the same Latin-esque flair as the King Gold, they still stand out as very stylish timepieces. The ceramic Mecca 10 watch features a black ceramic case housing King Gold composite gold on the dial. As well, standing alongside the King Gold and ceramic, the high jewelry Mecca 10 has a mirrored case covered in stones, with flashes of the King Gold alloy between the white of 307 diamonds. All 3 of these luxurious pieces have 2 options when it comes to their strap as well. If anyone decides to add one of Nicky's signature watches to their collection, they can get it with either a black Alcantara band or a red, yellow, and green dyed alligator band, which also mirror Nicky's X or X video. Nicky Jam's career is likely going to have other successes like these due to his influence on the reggaeton genre and global music generally. His hits and entertainment industry flair have garnered an incredible amount of international attention, as mentioned. His Mecca 10 deal with Hublot was a smart move on the part of the Hublot brand, and reinforces Nicky Jam's name as a significant social influencer. This reality is pretty impressive, considering that Nicky got his stage name from a homeless man on the streets of Puerto Rico. After fighting his way up the charts with the likes of Daddy Yankee and other influential reggaeton and pop artists for nearly 30 years, It's pleasant to know that such a hard-working artist is getting his just recognition around the world. On a more personal note, it'll be fun to see what he does with more music, movies, and of course watches in the future, especially considering his partnership with Hublot has started out so incredibly well. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Time Sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.